In this video, I am going to explain you what is MVC and how it works. But first, what does MVC stand for? MVC stand for Model View Controller. Now let me explain what is model, what is view and what is controller. First, what is model? Model has access to all the data of a database, and depending on a request, model return a specific data. Let's talk about view. View is simple. Basically, view is something what we see in a browser after we search for or look for something in the browser. So whatever you are seeing in the browser, that is called view. Now controller. Controller acts like a brain. Now what does it mean? Controller has all the logic, and depending on a user request, controller decides whether to accept or reject that certain request. Now let me explain how those three model, view and controller work together in a browser. Let's say you as a user want to go to xyz.com. So the controller will take your request and ask the model whether the model has xyz.com in the database, and if xyz.com is in the database, then the model will return those data to the controller. Then controller will send those data to the view. This way you will see xyz.com in the view, and view is basically made with HTML tags. So now let me just give you an example. Let's say you are searching for cat images on the browser. So this request will go to the controller. Then controller will ask the model if there is any cat images in the database. If yes, then the model will send the cat images from the database to the controller, and the controller will return those images to the view. This way you will see the cat images in your browser. So this is how MVC structure works. I tried to make this tutorial as simple as possible. I hope you like this video and you now understand what is MVC, at least basically how it works. So thanks for watching. If you want more tutorial like this, make sure to subscribe, and you can also suggest me what kind of video I should make next. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the future tutorials.